That's it. But anyway, Tim, it's lovely to have you back, Tim Zimmerman. He's just an amazing man. And I was just talking, because he does so many different things, I was finding out what he would like to talk about. What makes you so different to everybody else that's trying to reach this and trying to get to this point of people feeling positive and doing positive things? What makes you so different to be able to get to that?
Well, there's a few things. One is that I've been doing this for nearly 40 years. I don't really want to date myself, but I started when I was 8. but I've gone through all the positive mental attitude stuff. I was trained to teach all 5 of the Dale Carnegie courses. I've worked with thousands of people. And what happened for me, how all of this kind of got developed, was normally when you eliminate and neutralize the negative beliefs and negative self-judgments, that pain will go away. Emotional pain will go away. But then I wrote a sequel called the Advanced Programming Protocol when I realized this aspect about the 6-year-old programming, yes, and then the self-judgments from 0 to 6. And then again, when we have these self-judgments, they're not good enough, smart enough, whatever enough, everybody has it. We act the opposite to try and overcome them, but they never get overcome. No. And I watch success stuff all the time. He has the program to do all that. You know, unfortunately, we're coming to the end of our time. How can anybody reach you? You can reach me directly. You can go to my website, SM3Success.com. I have a free power lesson there that you can actually do. I'm pretty available right now. You can call me, 928-486-5851. I'm here in Vegas, and I give... well for you in Vegas? Yeah. Good. And I do personal coaching, and can do Skype and all that type of thing. I have clients around the country. He's got it all worked out, believe me, and he's looking pretty cool. Considering the accident he went through, you're looking amazing. Thank you. You know, it's wonderful. And it's wonderful to have somebody like this in town in Vegas, because we need a lot of help in Vegas, you know, because we have a lot of the disappointments of not getting the job or not performing or, you know, whatever the case is, because Vegas, as we all know, it's the entertainment place of the world, and a lot of people get disappointed because they don't get jobs. On that, thank you for watching Vegas Live with Ninon. We shall be back again with another guest. Thank you. Take care.